I'm a bit of a sad puppy today. Had a bit of an accident in the garage with the laser cutter. It was left unattended while it was cutting for too long, and the laser either hit the drive belt or it just got too hot and the paper on top of the acrylic caught fire. I heard a strange noise coming from the garage, and I ran to the garage and opened the door, and there was flames. It was pretty full on. It was contained inside the laser. It's obviously a metal chassis, and it was very much on fire. And my first reaction was to put the fire out rather than pull my camera out to take a video or photo of it. I wish I would have now, looking back, but I'm glad I chose to put the fire out first. My laser is now not working. Several pieces burnt. The drive belt burnt through. It was a pretty big mess, and my friend and I spent some time cleaning it up today, so that's great. And I've ordered replacement parts for all the parts that burnt, melted, been destroyed. It's going to take a few weeks to get here from China, unfortunately. So it means that my current projects that I'm working on that require the laser cutter, like my laser segment displays and my clock, they're kind of dead at the moment until I can get a working laser cutter again. Yes, so it's the first time that it's been cutting and been left unattended for longer than 30 seconds or a minute, really. And there you go, don't leave your laser cutter unattended. They're very, very dangerous. It's a safety wake-up call. What you gonna do? Be careful with your tools, folks. Okay, until next time, bye.